Spot! Stay away from the microwave. You don't want to be a hot dog, do you? There's an old saying, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. That is very true. When I start packing, there's this momentum to keep packing. That's good. My son and I could just stay home today, but we decided to visit Yogi Bear in the forest. Right now it's spring in Alberta, Canada. The snow has almost completely melted. Somehow we got some snow today. But that doesn't stop us. The exciting bears are waking up any moment now. Who knows if they are friendly or grumpy? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome aboard. We say goodbye to Rambo, our truck back there. Let's walk into the forest and see if we can find any live animals to play with. Dun, 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 dun. We are with the force. The force is with us. May the force be with you. Hello, Liam. It seems like the Rocky Mountains are sweating out water from that direction. Beautiful, isn't it? But not as beautiful or handsome as you, okay? Yeah, I know. Well, I guess the kids really enjoy the outdoors. And that's what we like about being out with nature. There's a peaceful connection with the surroundings. Not only connecting with nature, but with the people around you. Connected without many distractions. There's no internet signals out here, so which is another good thing. Just me and the boys right now.
Well, it's a miracle of you if this works.
The element of fire expresses two opposites, danger and comfort. Back in the days when human lives in a cave and they hunt and gather, our ancestors relied on fire to stay warm, to see and ward off animals. So it is an important basic element for human survival. So we are teaching the kids to know how to use fire.
I think we should just chop this tree down. It's dead.
I think we're having difficulty starting the fire. Well, we have to keep trying. So regardless of this destructive potential of the fire, fire also provides us with security and empowerment. Much like the challenging experiences we face in life, There's often a silver lining. They teach us valuable lessons and contribution to our growth and individuals. So just like fire, just like firearms. What's the first thing you have to do
Aim
when
at
you give your
safe
gun?
direction.
Next step?
Check if it's unloaded, and then check the barrel.
They can be powerful and dangerous, but it offers us protection. We need to learn to be safe and responsible when handling firearms.
Yep.
Everything clear?
Yep.
There's something about the rifles. The powerful blasting sound radiate far beyond. The kids must be well disciplined and serious when it comes to handling the rifle. Oh, I can see he's improving. Little by little after each shot. Holy smoke. You know what they say? Whatever we're doing, the more we do it, the better it gets. I tell my boys, if we spend lots of time doing bad things, you become bad doing bad things. So practice is what we want to be good at. The good old BB guns. The boys doing a very good job today by keeping each other safe and having fun. I'm very proud of them for trying their best. Seems like my sons did better than me today. Wow. Alright, after 1 hour of shooting, we are packing things up. Scavenger hunt. Most kids probably enjoy scavenger hunts. It gives them the thrill of searching and direct their energy and time towards a single purpose. Plus, they feel a sense of accomplishment afterwards. So, let them scavenger hunt. Hi boys, it's all ready. Come get it. Wow, you got it. We accidentally found a dead animal. Ooh.
Do you know what it is?
what it is. Very weird. Yeah. Could be a moose. See? See? We found an egg. Nice. Good job, guys.
I got a snack.
Yeah. You want to make some noodle to eat, eh, guys? All right. Keeping it simple, but the kids must eat their vegetables. Their mom cooked these vegetables at home. We just have to put it inside a bowl to heat it up with the warm water. Well, thank you for the vegetable, honey. It's very tasty. You're very good at cooking.
Good. Great.
Yeah, I'm glad you like the noodles. Holy smoke! After picking up the garbage and leaving the site as they were before, we are heading out. Some trails are very muddy. I was afraid we might get stuck back there, even though our wild animal friends want us to stay. But we're heading out before it gets really dark.